So circular economy involves a number of different processes that all have to work at the same time in harmony. No industrial organization or company wants to go it alone trying to solve these problems by themselves. It's just too much cost, too much risk. REMADE provides a platform to allow all of the groups, academia, industry, and government, to collaborate, decide what are real problems that need to be addressed, and to address them.
Our conference brings people from industry, academia, national lab, government, investors. So we have a very diverse groups that come here. We have a almost 50-50 split between industry and academia.
If we don't move to a circular economy, we will not solve the climate issue, we will not solve biodiversity loss, and we will be continuing a wasteful economic model, and we don't have time for that.
One of the exciting things about being here is the number of students that have approached me and talked to me about the research that they're doing. The fact that there are so many young folks engaged is really heartening.
We really have to think about how we're extending the lifetime and maximizing the value out of all the resources we're extracting. You know, it's that law of physics, conservation of mass. You know, we should aim to conserve not just use, but value as well, and life cycle.
We are in DC and we have lots of government officials coming together, and it shows the importance on the sustainability issue. This is where foundational changes are made.